Now using your dual diamond hydro tip, the next step is the oxygen infusion. The longer the stroke is, the more intense vacuum suction would be. Using the cold hammer, you would need to use slow circular motions. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video lesson, we will be covering super fun treatment protocol of how you can utilize your HydroDiamond technology to rejuvenate your client's hands. So I will be showing you step by step on how to use your HydroDiamond, oxygen infusion and cold to do your client's skin on their hands useful, bright and also very hydrated, because we will be doing exfoliation to remove all the dryness. So for this protocol, you would need the following. You would need your DermeLuxx or any other HydroDiamond device that you own. You would need the Fermingenious gel. The Fermingenious gel is full of peptides, so it's gonna be super good for your skin and your client's hands. Then you would also need to use the Hydro Clear skin exfoliating solution with your HydroDiamond. This one is based on the lactic acid, so you will be able to address both the dryness of the skin as well as the hyperpigmentation if needed. And also I will be using the LUMINOX oxygen infusion serum to hydrate and brighten the skin after I do my exfoliation. Of course, you will be using your gloves and you would need your brush, and you would need also the tiny cup where you will put your serum on. Let's do it. When you have your client occupied with any other type of hands-free facial, for example, in my case, I have the oxygen therapy going on and also the LED light, which I want to use on the red mode, I have my clients with hands available for the treatment. So this is the chance to upgrade and increase your average price check. Add about $30 to $45 more to make your check higher, make your clients happier, and make their hands rejuvenated. So I will walk you step by step how to provide this treatment using your DermeLuxx machine right now. Let's do it. To start your treatment, you would need to add 3 to 5 milliliters of the Hydro Clear exfoliating solution. This one is based on the lactic acid. Then using your fan brush, apply the serum on the skin. You can also cover fingers to make sure you will do the entire wrist exfoliation. Nice layer. The serum is consistent enough and a rich consistency, so it's not leaking or dripping, if you can see. Now using your dual diamond hydro tip, you would need to provide exfoliation using either short or longer strokes depending on the skin condition. The longer the stroke is, the more intense vacuum suction would be. So on the fingers you can do short strokes to cover the entire area, and on the larger area you can do longer strokes to ensure the skin is effectively grabbed inside of the tip. I'm using the vacuum intensity on about 50% to make sure it's strong enough to grab the skin, but not too much to overstretch it. And that's completely enough and beautiful intensity to cover this gentle skin on the hands. The next step is the oxygen infusion to deeply hydrate the skin that we previously exfoliated. I'm using the LUMINOX. This is the skin brightening serum. You would need to add just a few drops, as those are hands really small areas. So add a little bit in this cup, close it to make sure it's secured, and start the treatment. And let's do it. The oxygen step would help to hydrate the skin, would help also to infuse nutrients deep into the skin. The easiest way to do it is use it as a second step. When you previously exfoliate the skin, remove all the dry skin cells and pretty much open the gate for the skin to absorb all the benefits and all the good ingredients from the oxygen serum. Either you can start from the distance, or you can go really close to the skin and press the trigger to release the serum. When you have enough quantity of the serum on the skin, take off the finger from the trigger and then continue with the oxygen flow to infuse it deep into the skin. The final step of this amazing hand rejuvenation treatment will be the cold application. This is the most amazing and really relaxing step of your treatment. So you would need to use the Fermingenius gel. There is a conductor and it also has peptides on it, so it will also hydrate and rejuvenate the skin. I will be using the same cup that I used for my serum. Just add a few pumps in there, and you can use the same exact brush, paint it on the skin, and then use the cold hammer. Let me show you how you do it. Use the fan brush to apply it on the skin. It will be very liquidish because the skin is really hydrated with the previous exfoliation and oxygen infusion. Just a thin layer of the gel would be enough, so you have this beautiful gloss. The cold applicator is previously pre-cooled. I turned it on a couple minutes ago, so it's cold, and the first touch when the skin will feel it, it will be beautiful, amazing cold. Using the cold hammer, you would need to use slow circular motions. The secret in this treatment is the slower you move, the more cold is able to be accumulated in this treatment area. Then the faster you move, the warmer it will be. So if you want to achieve more cold sensations, more toning, more boost of the blood lymphatic flow, slow down, use the circular motions. Stay longer in one spot. Always cover the fingers as well, making sure the area of all the wrist and fingers is covered with the beautiful benefits of the peptide gel and the cold. Cold helps to boost blood lymphatic circulation and brings this healthy blood flow to the surface, reduce any kinds of inflammation and edema, and bring this healthy glass skin glow after the service. When this treatment is over, simply massage the remains of the gel into the skin, because this gel is also a leave-on mask and it have the beautiful features to hydrate the skin. It feels cold and really smooth. I guess your client will definitely appreciate your extra care of them while they've been treated with the oxygen or LED light therapy on their face. So this hand was treated and it looks really hydrated and smooth compared to this one, which is also beautiful, but this one is really rejuvenated and really hydrated. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you love this treatment protocol. Please try it with your clients and share with us how they love this treatment. Let us know what other protocols you would love us to share with you, and subscribe. As always, like this video and we'll see you next week.